Hello students. I am going to introduce about Java. So in this course we will study Introduction of Java. Second OOPS concept. About linked list, file handling and conditional statement. We have to study all these subtopics in the Introduction to Java. Like Java syntax, Java variable, Java comments, Java data types, Java operator, Java string, Java typecasting. In control statement we will study about statement, Java if-else, Java switch, Java for loop, Java while loop, do while loop, Java break, Java continue, Java comments, Java programs. Last but not least we have to study interesting concept, that is OPP's concept. In this we have to study about object, class, about polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, encapsulation. We also have to learn about Java array, Java string, Java reference.
Thank you for watching our video. If this is beneficial for you and want latest updates, please follow, like, and subscribe our channel TIOBE.